could just send it to myself because he's an overall player. Like, he can do everything.
Okay, that's how you should put it. That's the tell.
He can
Good looks.
vertically, he can shoot, he can finish.
That's what you should shoot like
Because
that.
he's
You
he's
man.
an overall player. He can do everything.
That's what you can be. That's should be you.
All right. All right, Pierre, I got some ideas. I'll get everything set up here in just a second.
Huh?
But I always got stuff I can work on, man. Hey, oh man. So one thing that's really on my mind is working through some elastic stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Elastic. I never touched elastic.
Yeah. That's kind of what I feel like I'm being drawn to right now because, like, so, you know, what I'm saying we all got our firewalls that we purchased, you know, and what I would like to do is utilize those and like be able to pull some real time threat data based on what I'm seeing live off my firewall feeds, you know.
Using elastic.
Yeah, be able to pull it from the PFSense firewall into an Elastic SIEM and
Okay.
start basically writing threat rules and stuff like that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So that's something that's on my mind. So, but definitely want to push through the Tenable because it's just so many things we can do in the Tenable interface right now.
Hmm. Yeah, you only probably just scratch the surface of Tenable.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Like I said, we're just in one Tenable product, but what you have in your certifications, I think it gives you a lot of insight as to what what Tenable has to offer. So, all right, so we're live. So I just got everything for the stream. You know, the only thing, the one thing I'm listening on my stream is like alerts, man. Like when I get a new follower, I don't know when I get a new follower for a stream and stuff like that. It kind of be messing my stream up because it takes away my ability to interact with people.
Hmm.
Let's see. Let me add a new widget. Subscribed.
You hear about this new stream service where people go stream for a game called Kick?
Oh yeah, yep. I actually have a Kick account. It's just man, I mean, I could stream this to Kick. That might not be a bad idea. Tell you what, I'm glad you said. Let me see if I have Kick there. Let me find my Kick account. I might actually instead of streaming it on Instagram instead. And so the thing is, I'm getting traction on like as far as where I see people show up. So X has been really impressive. X/Twitter, YouTube. What's up, folks? I'm on YouTube. YouTube been coming through pretty good. LinkedIn been pretty solid. Twitch has definitely been the Twitch and YouTube been real solid. Let's see. All right, let's see if I can find my Kick account right quick. And I'm having to use Discord in the browser format because my Discord, every now and then, Discord will release an update that just won't install.
Hmm.
And that being the case, like I literally have removed it completely from my computer and everything, and it still will not install. All right, let's see if I got my Kick account. Oh, there it is, Kick live streaming. I do have it.
Hmm.
All right, let me log into it. I actually might. Yeah, I'm glad you said that, Pierre, because I definitely think that's more beneficial. So let's add Kick channel URL. Let's log into my stuff. By the way, hello to everybody that's in stream. Hello, folks on all platforms at this point. Okay, logged into Kick now. Ooh, okay, so I don't have an account for technology interpreters. Oh, okay, all right, so I need to make one. Yeah, so what I realized is I got a Kick account for non-toxic gamers, the gaming side of the house, but nothing for I think I want to take this time to make a Kick account. By the way, tell if you got something that you want to work on, I'm listening.
No, that firewall thing would be great. I haven't touched that firewall in a minute. Be able to see who's trying to access your network. That's something.
Okay. Oh, right, man. So the funny thing is, I've actually tried to get Elastic up and running multiple times, and always run into some kind of problem, and it doesn't work. You know what I'm saying? So that's been real frustrating for me. So that's why I haven't finished the project. Hold on a second.
Because I remember you. I think you went live one time trying to get that working.
Yeah.
It was like 2 hours or something like that.
Yeah. And I tried. I actually had one of the Elastic reps to reach out on. It was, I don't know, man. I never responded to them, but they reached out on LinkedIn, and I just really never got with it because it's a lot of people that reach out on LinkedIn and stuff like that. You get a lot of sponsored crap coming through, you know. And so, like, I'm really just only interested. Like, I only got so much time today, so unless it's something that's really interesting me, like, I'm probably not gonna need a response, to be honest, you know. And so, because the thing is, like, that's one thing I learned. The most valuable thing is your time. Because with your time, you can get money. You can get everything. If you have time and your health. Oh, you're right. Time and health. So I'm very picky about who I give my time. Alright, so I'm making this account right quick on Kick. Let's see if they take 100-character password. What do you say,
Probably not.
You think they're not down with the cybersecurity business? You should allow 100-character passwords.
I guess they'll probably when I try to pull at least 30 or 40, and then you have to be like 26. I say, man, look.
I don't know. It look. Oh, look at that. They took it. 100-character password.
They're taking 100.
Let's go, Kick. Okay.
They think it's real.
What's up? There we go. Let's see. What's it? ASAD? What is it? ASAAD? Asadox? Asadox is what I'm going on. Let me put it up if I got it right, man. I'm doing good. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. How are you doing? So welcome to the stream, man. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to you. Really cheesy right there. I'm really having some time playing with I'm playing with some different things for the stream, you know. So, but anyway, good to see you, man. Appreciate you reaching out. Let's see. Oh man, everything's good. So honestly, dude, it's really like low key tonight. We hadn't jumped into any projects or anything yet. I'm actually keep creating a Kick account because I had, Pierre was like, "Hey, are you streaming on this service?" And I thought about it, but I never why not? I'm streaming on multiple platforms, so why wouldn't I add Kick to that? The question is, why won't they take my verification code? Oh, there you go. They took it that time. There's an echo in your voice. Okay, I hear the echo. That's probably from, let's see if that's a voice mod. Hold on a second. So I think that's probably going to be voice mod. Hang tight 1 second. Hello. All right, is the echo still there? Let me know if it cleared up. So I had the voice mod on monitoring mode so I can actually hear myself. So maybe that was it. Let me know if it's coming through. Yeah, now it's clear. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, man. So I got a whole bunch. So like when I'm playing Call of Duty, I got a whole bunch of annoying things like this. You know, when I take somebody out, I hit them with that right there. And a lot of times when I'm in the when I'm in the games, you know, I hit them with a little bit of, you know, a little bit of that. You know, so it's just like I just really, man, dude. I'll be honest with you, I'm just having a lot of fun doing a lot of stuff. So anyway, but yeah, all right, cool. So there you go. All right, looks like I got my Kick account up and running. Let's see if we can go live on Kick for the first time. Looks like the top platform is doing pretty well, Pierre. Appreciate the suggestion, man.
The Kick, yeah.
Okay. Hey, and it's so annoying if you get killed. Yo. Hey, well, Assad, tell me what's up and tell me what you do in cybersecurity. Like right in the meantime, it's just me and Pierre hanging out right now before we get started. So tell me a little bit about yourself. Plus, while I get this Kick stream up. So I don't think I can do 5 channels. Let's see channel URL. What is my information? Okay, that's the streaming URL. All right, streaming key. Got that. What's my account? Let's see. I'm a penetration tester, I think. Hey, why do you say you think you're a penetration tester? I think that's a funny answer. Share, go back to channel. Okay, there's my Kick channel. All right, see Pierre, it might be because you like Pierre just changed everything by getting me live on Kick. I have 1.5 million Kick followers. All right, let's see if we got anybody on Instagram, because if we don't have anybody on Instagram, sorry Instagram, bye bye. Okay, now let's see if we can go live on Kick. Okay. All right, so there it is. We are live on Kick, thanks to Pierre. Okay. So cool. All right, so let's see. I'm taking requests, so let me know what y'all thinking out there. What some possible options. What I'm gonna work on tonight. I got some ideas. I don't know. They always say penetration testers should test more stuff than I already know. I can't keep following the rush. Yeah, I'd like to hear more. Like that. What kind of stuff are they saying that you should test? That's more than you test now. Gonna pull up some vulnerability stuff in just a little bit. We'll jump into it. Get logged into the tools. I do pen tests on web and mobile apps. Some network. Okay. That's not a bad place to be. Hey, what? Hey, what's up? Hazarati, man. How you doing? Welcome to the stream, dude. Good to see you, man. Oh, dude, all is well, man. It's a nice, very nice, chill night. On with Pierre. So honestly, kind of like low-key celebrating too. Pierre just got his Tenable Cloud Certified Administrator certification. So really cool to see that. I'm excited because I got to get that same certification too. They say, oh, you should know desktop app, Active Directory, AI. Well, I mean, it's kind of difficult to know everything. I mean, just to be honest, like it depends on how many years. Like if you've been in this field, 20 years maybe, right? you just know everything. But I think at some point you gotta like stop and you gotta like work to be an expert at something. You know what I'm saying? Versus you just can't just jumping on there and saying, hey, I want to. I've got to know from day one. Got to know everything. That's kind of crazy. All right, let's see if I can update my kick title. Hang tight for a second. It says my first stream. I don't want to say my first stream. Wait, I almost reported my own stream. Dang, that's messed up. Like report myself, get my own stream taken down. Let's see. I actually called a meeting with our DevOps VP and a couple of salespeople to yell at them in 2019. Yo, maybe introduce yourself to them. Tenable Cloud has really improved the last year or two. It was awful back in 2019. They forced it on. Yeah, so it was. I found with the Tenable product, it was a lot that I just really. I feel like it. I don't know, man. It just felt like it wasn't. It was documented so that we could get it up and running because we initially were deploying the Tenable frictionless assessment, right? That's what we deployed to the customers, and it was some documentation and stuff like that. It's just a lot, I think, that I just really wasn't clear on when it came to the frictionless scanner. But then they announced that they were taking the frictionless scanner out of the Tenable vulnerability management product, and then they were just putting it in Tenable Cloud. And so you had to get Tenable CS or Tenable One, which impacted us and our customers too, because then we got to go to our customers and say, hey, this frictionless scanner is being removed from the product that y'all have. So I just don't think that was not a good move. Yeah, it impacted everyone. Yeah, exactly. It was not a good move. And then it put the frictionless scanner part of a suite that was not cost effective for a lot of customers. So that was kind of regrettable that they did that. Financially, I understand every company has to make the decisions they do, but little things like that, man, just really kind of like leave an impression on your customers, you know. My response to that was to build a pre-scanner and only feed Tenable addresses that were known to be up. To build a pre-scanner and only feed Tenable addresses that were known to be up. I'm listening. So hit me up with that. So we end up cutting our licenses from 80K to 15K and giving Tenable less money. Oh, okay. And you're talking about with that's obviously not the frictionless, right? Like when you say you're doing a pre-scanner. Tell me a little bit more about the pre-scanner, because I admit I don't know the details when it comes to pre-scanner. Or maybe I know it as something else. No, that's unless you're like talking about maybe setting up a Tenable scanner to scan EC2s in the cloud or something like that, and you're just targeting the known addresses to be up or something like that. Is that kind of what I'm hearing? So this is my first time here. What do you do mostly in the streams? Honestly, great question. I do a little bit of this. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get the party started. So a lot of times, first of all, so the reason I have access to Tenable is because the company that I work for, Cybertar, they're kind enough to support my stream. And so they actually sponsor me having a Tenable tenant. So this is Cybertar.ai. And the main thing that's really different is our company is a really one-stop cybersecurity shop. Not only do we identify your vulnerabilities, we remediate your vulnerabilities, including writing PowerShell, shell scripts, hands-on, walking the customer through things. Like we do whatever is necessary to remediate vulnerabilities. So that makes it a little bit different. Most companies just scan and tell you what you got, and you have to go fix them. We actually work with our customers to fix it. You know what I'm saying? So that's number one. Okay. Number two, this is my Tenable instance that they provided here. And so I've got machines in here. And so one of the simplest things to do that I recommend for people who may just be getting into vulnerability management is to like start working on machines that you have access to. You can build all this stuff in the cloud. That's cool and all. But the reality is, just start simple. Just to be honest, just start simple. So let's look at the 5 criticals we have here. Tenable counts any IP that responds to a ping on RDS, RDNS query as an asset. That's right, because it'll put everything in the asset table in Tenable. I agree with that. We do have to work with some of our customers because they was like, I don't have this many machines. It was like, yes, you do. Go ahead and Tenable. That's how many licensed assets y'all have. By selecting only IPs with a open port that has legitimate service bound to it, we cut our tenable assets nearly. Okay, I see that. Okay, gotcha. Understood. Okay, all right, Pierre, do you have any machines on our critical vulnerability list here? I think Megatron is yours, right?
Yeah, well, that was the browser that needs to be updated, and that's already updated.
So why was your last scan on 430?
I mean, basically.
Man, dude, you gotta like. So I'm assuming you shut your machines down all the time.
Yeah, I do. Sure. Yeah, I do.
Man, I'll be honest with you. Like, I'm not a big fan of that, especially somebody in cyber. Because the thing is, you got these machines at Tenable and they're getting vulnerability scans, and you got them shut down, and so you're not getting updated scans. Because see, there's a whole new set of vulnerabilities and patches and stuff that were released, and you don't even have scans. So it's like, if you wanted to work on it, we ain't got nothing to work on because we ain't got no scan off your machines, man.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I usually turn my computers off. I don't know. I don't like to leave it on.
Yeah, but all I say is, like versus what you trying to do in life here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I understand what you like to do. That's why they make the turn off the browser, to turn the monitor off after a certain amount of time. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just thinking, you just kind of need to think through that, man. Because preference versus, is it a security concern? Is it just a personal preference that you don't like to use the power? I'm just saying.
It's gonna save the electricity, man.
Trying to
Bills are high.
I doubt the computer's taking up that much electricity. I guarantee your kids is burning way more electricity. You put some of them little power meters on everything in your house. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, dude, yeah, please consider like setting your machines up so you can get current vulnerability scan, because you need to be working through this, man. Like, I know you're working on your Security Plus. By the way, I saw your LinkedIn profile. I said you got your Security Plus 2022.
No. That was I finished the training.
Oh, dude, you might want to look at your profile because I think it lists like you actually got your Security Plus in 2022. Let me take a look at it again. Yeah, because I looked at it, I was like, what the heck? Why is he working on Security Plus again? Like, are you trying to take the new version or something?
No, I think in the old version, but the new version is about to come out.
Yeah. All right, let me look how it reads. Because I mean that definitely could work against you. If you got information that they ask you about it and it looks misleading. Do you know you got 47? Let me see. You are one of the most certified people I know at this point. That's
all right. Doing the LinkedIn training.
Yeah, dude. So this is what I'm talking about. Say for folks trying to get into cybersecurity, like Pierre has I respect him so much. I'm gonna go down the list of training he got in just a second. So the pre-scan, let's see, Tenable counts. All right, we talked about that. So the pre-scan keeps us from scanning empty space and only scans IP. Oh, that's a great idea. That is a really good idea. I like that.
Give me 1 second though.
Okay. So Pierre has Tenable. His recent certification was Tenable Cloud Security Administrator. He took the Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course on LinkedIn. He's got Automox Level 1 Essential, which deals with patching. He's got the Foundation of Operations and Monitor Attack from Attack IQ. He got external attack surface management partner, SE, sales engineer. He's got Tenable certified MSSP practitioner. He's got Tenable certified sales engineer vulnerability management. He's got SOC core skills from the anti-siphon courses, SOC security, Black Hills information security minor attack. You took that course and that training, understanding zero trust, introduction to quantum computing, Palo Alto network security fundamentals, cybersecurity context, supply chain security, preventing supply chains, Cisco network security, content endpoint security, introduction to cybersecurity learning path from Try Hack Me, LinkedIn learning cloud computing and cloud storage from LinkedIn, cybersecurity awareness from LinkedIn, and then CompTIA Security Plus. Yeah, Pierre, you gotta. Yeah, I'll tell Pierre. Yeah, so that looks like the certification, it says, instead of training. So you definitely want to update your LinkedIn on that one. Make sure it does say specifically training. And dude, he's got more Cisco, ethical hacking, cryptography, using questions to foster critical thinking and curiosity, ethical hacking, penetration testing, ethical hacking, scanning networks, ethical hacking, complete malware analysis, IT security, key policies and resources, learning supply chain, cybersecurity, reasonable cybersecurity for business leaders, cybersecurity threat landscape, cybersecurity awareness, building cybersecurity vocabulary, cybersecurity awareness, phishing and whaling, ethical attack, hacking, fingerprint, footprinting, and reconnaissance, ethical hacking, introduction to ethical hacking, and then CompTIA Network Plus and CompTIA A Plus. Whew, that's a lot of training and a lot of certifications. So Pierre, like I said, he's looking for his first cyber role, man, and this is what it takes. Plus 1,000, applying for 1,000 jobs. And so just a topic of discussion, I want to know what y'all think about it is, I saw something today, I don't know if y'all know of the Code Fusion YouTube channel, but they were saying that, people are saying that AI is going to take jobs. AI is doing this. And what they were making the case is that AI is already responsible for many of the tech layoffs that are happening now. They're saying that AI is already being used, and they're saying it's going to, and the people who learn to use AI versus the people who don't are going to thrive because AI is just going to help us to do our job better. But man, they're saying like flat out, here's evidence, here's proof that AI is already like taking people's jobs. And then they were also saying that, and once again, this is Cold Fusion YouTube channel, so go check it out yourself, do your own research. But they're also saying that there's a lot of companies that are saying that they have AI that are lying back. And so they gave an example, and I want to go dig it up and look and read up on it. But Amazon, Nadia Nassara as, ooh, you sure about that? Sentinel-1 Purple, my boy. Sentinel-1 Purple. Sentinel-1 Purple AI. Sentinel-1 Purple AI. You sure about that? Your AI security analyst. It's coming for us, man. It's coming for us all. If you don't know about this, read up on it, okay? I'll drop it in the chat for everybody. Check it out. Know about it, because AI is 100% coming from cybersecurity. Okay? Nobody's safe. So I'm trying to get into real estate. You know what I'm saying? Who knows? This cyber thing, dude. Everything technical is up in the air right now. Okay, so all right, for those of you that just joined, we're talking about Sentinel-1 Purple, which is your AI security analyst. So let's see. Do they have a video? Let's check it out. Okay, let's do this.
How do you stay ahead of cyber attacks? Sentinel-1's Purple AI is your AI security analyst for 24/7 enterprise protection. Up-level every analyst to find hidden risk with natural language queries and threat hunting quick starts. Accelerate investigations with instant querying of all your data. And get intelligent threat summaries and suggested next steps in real-world language. Easily collaborate with private and shared investigation notebooks. Detect earlier, respond faster, and stay ahead of attacks with Purple AI.
So that's one of them. All right, let me show you this. All right, there's another one. I saw AI SOC analyst. Okay, all right. So what did I see? Is it drop zone? Looks like. So here's. All right. Okay. Let me read your comment first because I want to talk a little bit about this. Okay. So I know it does exist, but let me talk from perspective of offensive side. Manual testing can't be automated until now. It's really hard and requires understanding the business itself to be able to find bugs. Maybe some bugs will be tested by AI, but many will not. I can agree with SOC ones, but okay, I'm gonna show you a tool that we actually already use at my company, Bonahai, right here. Okay, it's no secret. It's very clear. Our customers know we're using this for penetration testing. Bonahai, this is automated penetration testing. So a lot of times what this does, it goes through and it does a specific set. Now it's definitely not replaced what we would consider like a true penetration test where it's going to go through. It's not going to have the same skill as a really skilled pen tester. But I mean, let's be honest. Like you got multiple sides to the pen tester. You got people that are out there that are not really doing like real pen testing. They're just kind of using like some Metasploit or something like that, and they just have surface knowledge, and they're selling people pen testing. Then you have like people like Mandiant, these type of people who are like super skilled and you know what I'm saying, like and it's just like the super high end, very very talented people. And so I do think that the automated is kind of like maybe it's on the lower end of the spectrum now, but if you introduce, and this is pre-AI, right? And so if you introduce AI into this and then it's able to look at the commonly exploited modules, think about it like people are arguing that AI has already reached the point of being what is the word they use for AI? Instead of saying sentient, and it's a term specifically that they use now to indicate like when AI is basically surpassed, it's smarter than humans. But I'm just thinking about, like, say, if you take every course that you ever have for AI, for penetration testing, you feed all that into AI and train AI, and then it can also take that and can correlate that with all the vulnerabilities in the vulnerability database. I mean, like, what the guy say? Prove me wrong. Explain to me why AI can't take every last one of our jobs at that point. It literally has the ability to, in real time, identify all the different threats that, like, analyze malware that's being deployed, like, understand every attack technique that's out there. I'm just saying, like, it's a lot that AI can really do. Okay, so I'm not concerned. It's a fact. Like, and I'm not saying that I'm not concerned that it won't take my job, because I think it's very likely it is. But I think there's going to be you got to always be willing to reskill. Let's see. No worries, juniors. The only thing AI can do so far is your initial job that you should advance from in 1 year tops. Man, dude, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I think that's a bold statement. You got to back that up something. Like, I am seeing AI do way more than. In fact, countries are using AI right now, like with World Bank and what all these things they're talking about. There's AI. Oh, I know what it is. BlackRock. Is it BlackRock? Yeah, I think it's BlackRock, or it's one of these big companies like that is leasing out their AI to like countries to like manage and manipulate their finances and stuff like that. I think that's a statement, man. That's a general. That's a big statement to make. No worries, Junior. I think I would be a little bit worried. So. And what does juniors mean? No worry, juniors. The only thing, what does that mean? Are you calling everybody in the stream juniors? Yeah. That's why you feel what's that, because it's some very some very talented people in the stream. You know what I'm saying? He's not caught. I know, that's what I'm saying too. Like, hold on, don't hit folks like that now. Uh, I'm still on my side that there's bugs need human understanding and website logic to get them. Like it's not all out. Yeah, so it's all good, but yeah, it won't help you. But the thing is, and I'll say it like this: AI learning curve is not like this. AI learning curve seems to be more like this. You know what I'm saying? Like what they call it, the hockey stick. Like that's the kind of thing that I'm observing. This thing AI is growing really really fast, and so the thing that I'm hearing about now is they're talking about computing. Computing is becoming an issue with it. Yo, what's up? I'm listening. Looks like we got a vulnerability we can work with here. All right, let's see. Yeah, I'm listening. Yeah, go ahead. I'm reading chat. Let me know. Why does AI take the entire output of a nuclear reactor when a regular human intelligence works just fine with Twizzlers and cocaine? With Twizzlers and cocaine, yes. Yeah, that's true. I've been reading that people shouldn't worry about it. It will take a lot of time to do. Man, take it from somebody who's old school. By the time that they say that you need to worry about something, it's too late. Okay, so that's my only approach, because I think so. You got like everything has a military application, and so I never operate under the yeah. Human eyes would be, man. Boy, I want y'all. Hey, well, I wish I could lock this in time and then hit y'all back. You know, in 10. I'll hit you back in 2 years. You know what I'm saying? The this is no. Well, 2 years from now, I'll be like, yo, what's up? We all be standing on the corner, you know, getting our government handout checks because everybody AI that took all of our jobs. You know what I'm saying? I've been to some HQs. Big companies that saw that they're developing Microsoft Sentinel, for example. Yeah. There's a longer wait than 2 years. Hey, I hope you're right, man. I hope you're right. Okay. If not, see you on that corner getting that government handout. I'm also a capable gunsmith. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But everything can't be won with a gun. Well, and that's even an issue, right? Man, I don't know if y'all ever watched some of the, like, it's such a, man, dude, it's so like unbalanced. Like what can happen with AI and autonomous systems, right? You know. So okay, let's see, Miles Bennett Dyson. Okay, Miles Bennett, you got to give me some context on it. I admit I have no idea how the reference to that one. As with computers, through crime, anything is possible. Yeah. Skynet developer. Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. Understood. You mean Elon Musk? Starlink? Skynet? Starlink? Skynet? And also there's vulns been discovered in AI engines and stuff, so it won't be easy thing. Oh, it's cool. It's cool. You have have any of you used Grok? Oh, I did hear about it. I've never used it. I think I heard them say. I heard it just like a little bit in like some announcement somewhere like 6 months ago or 3 months ago or something. Yeah. So also, I was looking at something today. Microsoft has a contract with the U.S. government to test augmented reality too. That was actually pretty interesting. I'll see if I can pull that up. That was really. Let's see. Show you a little bit of that one. So basically, just trying to. Everything has a war application. That's all I say. when the Army's headset is unstoppable.
Mega mayhem.
So I like this. I like this channel. I just came across it today, but definitely by a veteran. And so for military, this is what they're testing. So of course that's your standard MVG right there. And let's see, and then all right. Explore Chevron. Okay. All right, cool. So 22 billion. Like, if there's any truth to this, and this is a pretty sizable channel, so assuming that it's somewhat accurate, you know what I'm saying? Let's see if they got some pictures of it, but they're talking about the different versions of it. But the problem is they say that they're running into the same issues. Agreed, yeah. They're saying they're running into the same issues with that you run into with VR. Like, after having the headsets on for 3 hours, so they're starting to, experience dizziness, stuff like that. A lot of the VR things that people are running to, they're saying they're starting to experience those too. But they're calling it so, man, here's a term that's new. Add this to your list, right? Soldiers as a sensor. This is my first time hearing it today. But basically, because if every soldier is rolling with augmented reality gear and goggles and stuff like that, then essentially every soldier becomes a data point that can be used to kind of like influence what you do in the war. So it's pretty interesting. Like the new HoloSun thermal red dots have quite a lot of latency. I can believe that. Private sector will figure it out. Yep. Agreed. Latency. Yo, trust me, I feel that. I play Call of Duty, so latency, I know big time will get you. All right, let's see. Well, let me get S1 up right quick. See if we can work a little bit on this one. Pierre, you know anything about this vulnerability? Do you know how to remediate this one?
Microsoft Internet Explorer unsupported version detection. That one now.
Say it again.
No, I said no. I don't think I've done that one.
Let's go to Zoom mode. Bring this over.
Microsoft Internet Explorer unsupported version detection.
Yeah, I'll put it there so everybody can kind of read through it. Remove Internet Explorer. No, that's the answer is right there on the screen.
Internet Explorer version is no longer supported.
Latency combat is the reason why some assault rifles are used instead of others. Maybe actually, so it's a major factor. Have you considered running a real operating system? You mean like besides Windows? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, they said they have to notify disable AI. I mean, Internet Explorer option.
Yo, man, you gotta live with it. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? This is about streaming setup here, so this is why. Descending Saint, hey man, I'm glad to have a Discovery channel. I'm still very new, very early in my cybersecurity journey, but I appreciate your content and the inside look. And thank you so much, dude. That means a lot. That means a lot to me, man. Trust me, because for me, I've had the popular thing on YouTube, like the growth thing on YouTube is talking about like how to get your how to get a job in cybersecurity, man. Like there's a lot of channels that are doing really good on that. And I'm like, yo, man, like I feel like they doing a good job already. So I really want to show some of these tools that people ain't really seeing a lot of. And so for me, that's the angle I'm taking. But I'm surprised. I'm very thankful because my channel is actually growing, doing the thing that I really feel like I have the ability to contribute to the community, you know? So Pierre, so you're saying the register key needs to be edited and to change the policy? Question mark, yes. Let's see. You know, I'm 27 years of being a penetration tester and have only worked one job that made me run Windows, and it was a principal dev role at Symantec. They use Lotus Notes and Windows Forever. This man said Lotus Notes. You just dated yourself, sir. You just told the whole world about it. If you say Lotus Notes, you absolutely, like, I know a lot about you, right? The fact, because I know what Lotus Notes is, just, you know, just put it out there, right? So if you said Lotus Notes, then yeah, we both know. We've been around. So Pierre, all right, let me go ahead. I'm gonna get Pierre. So I'm kind of force Pierre to kind of help direct us here. Let me zoom back out a little bit. 90s guess. Yeah, exactly. All right, so Pierre, let's see. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Let's see if we can kind of adjust this so you can kind of see. So they got these links right that you can click on, and these links will take you to different articles. That one talks about the life cycle. That's not as beneficial. But this docs.microsoft.com article here, this one kind of goes through the details. Well, let's see. This will show you how to remediate the vulnerability. No, that's actually nah, that's not the page. My bad. Maybe it's the second one. I noticed it because I've been to this page before. No, that's just talking about life cycle. Maybe it is the first one. Interesting. Either upgrade your work Internet Explorer that's currently supported or disable Internet Explorer on the target device. Yo, Pierre, I think I have some static on your side. Let's see. Yeah, I think your mic is staticking. So let's see. You guys. Oh, hey, yo, my boy Sick. I gotta say, hey, see you has rocked you, man. Always good to see you, man. Appreciate you stopping through. All right, and they say, hey, you guys have a good night. Thank you so much, man. Hope your boy feels better, dude. Okay, so looking at this one, Pierre, I'm worried for you, man. You're guiding me through this vulnerability remediation. So tell me where to click. What we gonna do? Okay, I'll take you to the thing, but this is just your time to kind of work through it.
Are you trying to go to use? Are you trying to use PowerShell, or you trying to use do the Ray edit?
This is not my machine, so.
Whose machine is this?
Don't worry about it. It ain't mine.
I don't think it's mine.
Don't worry about it. But this is a machine somewhere out in the world that I have access to via the remote console. That's all you need to know, man. Okay.
So definitely you have to use PowerShell then.
Okay. Okay. All right. So we got to use PowerShell. So then what's the next step here?
We're gonna do get let me see. Hold on a second. Let me read my notes here. You wanna do the GCI tag path.
Mm-hmm.
Put the path the Tenable is showing.
Okay.
Keep on.
All right, be just a second. I'm almost in S1. S1 version Z. Make it log in again. Okay, hold on a second. Let's do that. I'll bring S1 over. All right. Ooh, introducing Singularity Operations Center. Actually, that's available on my console. I got to play with that. I might have a new video to drop on S1 soon with that.
But what is dropping?
It's talking about Singularity Operations Center. I'm not sure. I don't know the details. It's been something that's been popping up in our console to try. All right, so this is online. And by the way, this machine would actually go to sleep, so I actually use PowerShell to go in there and actually update the power settings on it so that it would stay online all the time, so I could have access to it. So that's something new that I learned with PowerShell. Also, I actually I stood up my own GitHub. I got a public GitHub repository now, so that I can start putting these scripts in GitHub. So
I think I have a GitHub too.
yeah,
I don't have nothing in there, but I think I have one.
okay. Now, I just want to point this out, okay? So, like, right now, we're working on this machine, right? And, of course, we have remote shell. Like, the people on the other end of this computer, they have no clue that I'm doing any of this. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Mm-hmm.
I got full access to this machine. And, like I said, this is an approved shell. But, I mean, they're just the thought of, like, majority of the things, like, people don't even know what to look for. Like, how would you even know if somebody's already got a backdoor into your machine at this point? You know, we just saw, yeah, this week alone, I can tell you that there were multiple. I think there was one of the nation states like attacking Soho, small hall. What is it? Small office, home office. Yeah.
Yep, I heard about it.
Yeah, attacking Soho routers again, as if they stopped attacking them before.
Yeah, it's not easy to identify that. They haven't find it. They haven't tell us how to identify if your router is attacked or anything. So
yeah. Okay, so you said, all right, so for this vulnerability, you want us to do a GCI. I did a GCI. Looks like I'm looking at the temp folder. All right, anything else Pierre want to do? We're just going to do a GCI?
I thought you're going to do I said GCI path and you just typed it.
Okay. Okay, what else?
And paste the path, the GCI path, and copy the path, the tenables showing on the scan.
Like right here?
Yeah. And
hey, are you watching it? You want me to share it through Discord so you can watch it in real time? Or are you watching through the stream?
I watching it through the stream. It's a little, I guess, delayed.
Which one are you on? Okay, you on YouTube or Twitch?
I'm at YouTube.
Okay. All right. Cool. Hold on a second. Let me share it through Discord. Well, I think I can share screen. Yeah, it still works. That's interesting. That's really good through the web version. Screen number 1. Yo, shout out to Discord for having full functionality in the browser version. Okay, can you see now, Pierre, through Discord?
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Okay, so you want me to copy this right here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna do exactly what you tell me to do. So you want me to paste it here?
Double quote. Yeah, put a double quote in there.
Double quote. Okay.
And then paste it.
Okay.
And close. And then close quote. I guess. Yeah.
Okay. And then what?
And enter.
Press enter.
Oh.
All right. I see you got an error. I'm gonna tell you that much already.
Man, I didn't even see that.
Mm-hmm. Not just because of all the red text, by the way.
What does it say?
Hey, let's see. I have to go. It was nice meeting you. Hey, Assad. What is Assadox? Is that correct? Make sure I got it right. Hey, man, dude. And thanks for dropping by, man. Appreciate you, man. Assad. Okay, gotcha. Oh, wait, hold on. Did you just put... Oh, I forgot. You're a pen tester. Oh, that's OX as in hex. Your hex designation. Is that? Did I pick up on that right? Gotcha, man. Appreciate that. I couldn't tell if you were trying to use that as OX, but I should have known the case. Yep. Gotcha, man. Yeah, dude. Appreciate you dropping by the stream, man. Look forward to seeing you in the future, man. All right, thank you. All right, Pierre. So, let's see. Shout out to get give him a pardon shout out for my guy. There you go for him. I forgot to shout out to Hedgehog. There you go. Cool.
Hey, DJ.
All All right, man. So it really nice to meet good people around here. So totally just went wireless. This is what wireless looks like. The bus. Oh man, I got more where that came from. You know what I'm saying? I just don't want to demonetize my stream. You know what I'm saying? I got stuff for days. You know what I'm saying? Like I've been working on my. Got my cyberpunk collection. Let's see what else I got. Lo-fi vibes. I can't play that because that'll get me demonetized. And then finally, my guitar riff. So I got more. So Pierre, have you figured out what is the issue here? So I like where you're going.
Yeah, we not. I guess we're not in the right folder on the right.
Well, so what I would say is, let's go back and what is required to remediate the vulnerability?
Sorry, I can barely see it. In my screen, I can barely see that what it says in there. Okay, I can see it on YouTube. Yeah.
Full screen. What do you mean you can barely see?
You can barely. Yeah, my thing is like it's not clear in my
8K.
No, it's not 8K. It's like 1K
16,
or something.
32K.
Let's see. Software policy. Internet Explorer menu. So you had to create a folder under Internet Explorer.
All right, so let's step back for a little bit. All right, if you had to verbally describe like what actions, not the technical details, but what high level, what are we doing here to remediate this vulnerability?
You have to disable, based on what it says, you have to disable the Internet Explorer option.
Okay. All right, and then what is our process for doing so?
Let me see. You have to go to if I was on my computer, I would go to register to do it. I would do it through the registry.
Oh, you would do what through the registry? I'm fishing for something particular. Yeah.
I'm lost in that one.
So to remediate this vulnerability, it says Internet Explorer is detected as being enabled on this device. This is due to the fact that the registry key is what?
Not supported anymore.
What is the? Can you read the words there? Because you say it's too small. So if not, I'll read it to you.
Which one? Okay.
I gotta highlight it for you.
Okay. The policy Microsoft Internet Explorer main notify disable IE's option.
No. Above. Okay, sorry. Above that. My bad. Above that, where it gives the description. Okay. Yes, I'll read that for me for a second.
Is that Internet Explorer is being detected as an enable on this device. This is due to the fact that the registry key is missing or not set. Okay. So okay, so it's missing the notify disable option, IE option, or it's not set correctly.
Exactly. Okay. So then what is the problem with what you're doing so far?
That I'm not in the registry.
And what does the command tell you too?
Regit.
I mean the error message that was returned.
Oh, it's telling me that because the path doesn't exist, or the cannot find the path because it doesn't exist.
Exactly. Okay. So here's what I would do. So I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna back up to a registry key that I know probably does exist. Okay. See, you notice that should be there. Microsoft Internet Explorer registry key should be there. Let's just back up all the way to the Microsoft folder. That's not there either. Do you know why? You have a syntax error.
No, okay.
Look up get child. So the thing is, go to. Let's do it together because I want to show everybody this. So some of you may know this, but y'all kind of everybody's at different places. So all right. So let's zoom back out. Get child item. There's the syntax, and when you use get child item in relation to registry keys, there's something that you left out, one small thing.
Wait. Let me see.
And you can see it right here. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. All right. What did you miss between what? This is what they typed.
Okay.
HQ local machine. This is what we have. Is there any difference?
Yeah, me. What is it? What we had? Let me go back. I missed the. How do you call that sign? The two. I guess that after the HTML.
Yeah, you're missing your colon.
Yeah, colon. Yep.
Okay. And then also we got a slash before it too. A backslash before it. Let's see if it works with the backslash. All right, let's try this. Okay. So that doesn't work either. I think you got to get rid of the backslash too. It should just be. All right. But we know, let's see, Internet Explorer is HT local machine, colon, software, policies, Microsoft Internet Explorer. So we should be getting a hit now. Okay, we do. All right, so now let's test it. Like I like to test it both ways. Let's put the backslash there. That makes it incorrect. Just by because we had a backslash before, and then taking out the colon, like we put that back in.
Oh, there you go.
And then let's take out the colon. Makes it invalid again. Okay, so now that we got the correct syntax down. All right, so let's go ahead and correct these right here. Take the backslash, put the colon in. Now we know that our syntax should be correct, and now it's still not there. So I'm going to back up the notify disable and go to the main folder. Doesn't look like the main folder exists. Going to get rid of that. Doesn't look like that exists. Going to take out the Internet Explorer folder too. And now I got a hit. So it looks like looks like there are 3 registry keys deep. We don't have the Internet Explorer, the main, or the notify disable. So we're missing those 3 in the path. So now we got to write a registry key that's going to actually add that to the path. How are we going to do that, Pierre?
Okay. Let's see.
And let's break this down into and I'll take this from the chat too. We just used the get registry key, but in order to configure the registry key, what do we have to use? What command do we have to use for it? And you can say, I don't know is a valid answer, and we'll show it.
I was looking at my note to see if I have anything good.
Cool, and I do appreciate that you check it first. That's one thing. Just feedback for everybody. Please, if you're working or aspiring to work in cybersecurity, I don't know is an acceptable answer, but I don't know, and I'll find out is a much better answer. So it's just something to note. Or I've been working on it, haven't been able to find anything, but I'll keep digging. But then also being able to know when you should go and ask for help too. You know, like, okay, I tried, I ran into dead ends. You know, I'm not gonna spend 20 hours on this. I'll put maybe 45 minutes to 2 hours in, and I can't get it. Need help. This is one thing I like about Pierre. She knows how Pierre, he even though he doesn't know, man, he definitely is okay with struggling with it to kind of get some clarity. All right, Pierre, for the sake of time, what's
can you look?
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you can you maybe you can pipe it to a get item property.
So you want to pipe this into get item property?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is it GIP?
Yeah, I don't know if that working though.
Okay, I like what you're trying to do. So, but I'll give you some help here, okay?
I read, man.
In order to, I think you got to do a set item.
Set item? Let me see. I don't have it.
So you're able to use GCI to get it, and I think you can use set item property to pull the registry. I mean, to set the registry key.
Set item property. Okay.
So set item property path,
Then
the name of the registry key, then the value of the registry key. Okay. And so I'm not gonna. By the way, I'm not gonna fix this vulnerability because I want to do a YouTube video on it. So I'll actually walk through this when I do my YouTube video.
set item property path.
So that's for a file. But let's see here. Here's for a registry key. Set item property says path. This. Now what I'm curious of is if you're gonna go 3 registry keys deep. When I do the set item property command, do I need to? Can I like tell it the, you know, like for instance, right now, this shows that we only have up until
Microsoft.
the Microsoft. So can I say set item property, HT local machine software policies Microsoft. What is it? Internet Explorer, main, notify disable option. Can I go that deep in just one set command, or do I have to do a set item property, HT local machine software policies Microsoft, and then like Internet Explorer, and then I have to do the HT local machine software Microsoft policy Internet Explorer, and then do another command to add main to that. And then I'm just trying to see if I have to do individual, if I can add the full path in one statement. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So you're thinking of getting the set item property path, and you'll go from the what is it? Software? Oh yeah.
Well,
no, that's not software.
I want to test. Let's do a little bit of testing, okay? So I'm gonna play around a little bit. So can we? Software Microsoft. Let's see. Internet Explorer main. All right, let's confirm that's what Tenable wants from us.
Main.
Internet space Explorer space main. Okay. Because I can always get these. Okay. So supply the values for the property. Okay, cool. So, okay, that just told me something right there, Pierre. Congratulations, you received 100 messages today. We restream. Okay, cool. Going, hey, going. Yo, what's up? Go in, sleep, bro. What's up there? By the way, welcome on YouTube. How you doing? So, Pierre, you can see when I ran that command, it wanted me to give the value of the registry key that I'm asked to. So I put the path, but I didn't do the value. So I'm gonna see if I can cancel out this. Okay, so see, it's gonna prompt me for the name and value. Shout out to PowerShell. Okay, so what that means now, Pierre, is I want to I really try to see if I want to do this because I'm about to fix it on the stream. I have to go back and undo the fix later. Okay, so if I do, so the tag name is gonna be right here, right? Notify, disable options.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's add that. And then we're gonna do tag value. And I think it needs to be 0 or 1, something like that. So if I run this command, oh, it errored out. Okay, cannot find a path. Okay, cool. Because we know the path does not exist. All right.
So we have to add main first, I guess. Well, main
is here. So
but I think main's gonna be the folder to add the notify
let's see if I
notify disable IE.
Okay, see that error. Can I bind an argument to name because it's just an empty string? See, when I do a set item property, I just put the next folder. Well, first of all, the Internet Explorer folder doesn't exist. But see, it's gonna prompt for the name every time. So I think there's
maybe we need to add Internet Explorer.
Say it again.
I think we need to add Internet Explorer, and then add main, and then notify.
But I thought that's what I just did right here, because you see right here, I'm trying to do Microsoft, and I'm trying to add Internet Explorer. Unless I do it like this. So I know I can enter Explorer, and then I do Microsoft, and then I do tag name,
Internet space Explorer. Yeah, Internet.
I was just kidding. Really wanted to talk to you. I learned from you a lot, bro. I appreciate it, man. Thank you for joining the stream. Okay, so you can see what happens here. Yeah, we just walking through some PowerShell here, so you can see that. So even then, it wants the value. Let's just say 0. Okay, that might have worked, but it looks like we gotta assign some kind of value to it. So let's go back to our GCI command, and then the Explorer. Let's see if that returns anything now. I mean, it's there, but it's not showing like it's there. Let's test my syntax, make sure the syntax is not broken. No, it's still there, but there's no Internet Explorer key there. But if I did like Windows, then kind of AppX.
I think your mic is not working correctly.
No, wait, my mic is not working? What do you mean?
Yeah, well, I guess you were talking the whole time and I didn't hear nothing.
Oh, I think, I'm pretty sure it's working, because like I said, I can see I get the little bars on my stream that show me like if my mic has got input. Now it might have been something with Discord.
Okay.
Cool, looks like we got somebody on Kick. Hey, hello, who's on Kick? That's awesome. Unless it's one of those streaming platforms that gives you like one person to make you not feel bad. Some of them do that. You know, they'll put like one person in your stream no matter what. So like, we got you, man. We know it can be lonely. Let's see if I can change I'm under just chatting. Can I edit? Nope, that's the report button. I keep clicking the report button. About to report myself for no reason. Create a dashboard. Let's see if I can change session info. Stream preview. Mod actions. Chat. Edit stream info. Okay, cool. So I can put mine just chatting. Let's get rid of that. Cybersecurity. They actually have a cybersecurity category on Kick. I might have to holler at them for real, because I tried forever to get Twitch to give up to create it. You know what? We did this petition. Or it has what is the guy name? The big streamer on Twitch for cybersecurity started a petition. We all signed it. You know, everybody kind of pitched in and do what they could to kind of help bring some attention to it, and then Twitch never added. But it looks like Kick has cybersecurity. All right, hold on a second. Let me.
Yeah, it had to be something with Discord, losing your boys and stuff.
All right, now I'm officially on the cybersecurity on Kick. There we go. That changed everything. Maybe I'll get some people who are actually looking for this kind of stuff. Okay, PR, what you got, man?
What we got?
So we need to basically. So we got the problem we got to solve first. Sorry, you were about to say something?
No, because I remember, I think I did this before when I did to PowerShell. I did it to the registry edit, because you had it. You needed it as Internet Explorer somehow, because my computer didn't have it, so I had to add it, and then create the subfolder like main, and then
okay. All right, so we need to back up. PowerShell, create registry key. So let's see, here it is. Use PowerShell to easily create registry keys. Oh, my favorite guy. Create a new registry key. I'm saying I've been in this article so many times. I could do that. It's crazy. All right.
Okay. Test pad, new item.
So you're gonna do a new item command.
Create that. Okay. Create a new registry key. I mean, I write it through my notes.
Yeah, let me put this link in chat. This is one of all the articles I referenced in my daily job, or even off the job. And when I'm doing this kind of stuff, I've been to this page so many times, because this is also the same page that has commands to get the list of installed software. Oh no, this is just the dev blog. Okay, so I've been to other parts of the dev blog. I haven't been to this page specifically. Anyway, you should know and love this thing, because this has been such a great place to get information. So it looks like Pierre, the new item command is what we're going to do.
To add a registry key.
So to start off, all right. So let's back up. So let's walk through this step by step methodically, how we do it. So what they want you to do is do a test path first, to see if it exists. Okay, that's number one. We'll say Internet Explorer. That is false. So we know the Internet Explorer folder does not exist. So our next step is to do a new item command. Let's see, where's the dev log? New item command to create a new registry key. So we should be able to see, well, let's look at the syntax. New item, PowerShell. Okay, there's the new item command. Now, is this just for creating registry keys, or can it, so new item tag path. So you can create a file too. Create a file in the current directory. So you can see how this can be powerful already. And then you can put information, you can already preload information into the file that you create. How dope is that, dude?
Mm-hmm.
So you know what this means? Like, for instance, if there was a host file on a machine, we could essentially like delete the existing host file and write a new host file on the machine using this command, or other files. Incriminating evidence. You can set somebody up. They didn't talk about registry keys. I really do love this. The fact that you can create a file and put stuff in it. Okay, I say we try up here. Let's try creating one folder with this command. So new tag item. And let's see, is it path? You have a path command with it. Let's look at the syntax. Path, and then the path itself. And then you can do a tag name. I guess that's the name of the new item. So that's going to be the registry key name. Okay, and then you can actually do a value. So if I guess you want to assign a value to it. So let's do new item, tag path. Okay, all right, you with me there?
Yep.
And then we'll do it.
But you have to put tag on
So then we got to do
before path.
Well, first of all, but Internet Explorer doesn't exist because we use the test path command. So we only have the Microsoft folder. So now we want to do a tag name,
Okay.
and we want to type Internet. Okay,
I don't think you're typing it correct. Let me see.
I think that's, yeah, INTERN. Yep, that's it's got a space in it. So that looks like that was a successful command here. We just added a new registry key. By the way, this I'll tell you,
And
man,
then
I'll straight up be using this Monday, like at work. I'll be like, oh man, got a new skill. Oh, now I got this vulnerability.
Yeah.
And you notice that when we ran this command forward, that wasn't there.
Yep. So you added the Internet Explorer now.
Mm-hmm. So here's the thing: like, can I do a remove item to delete that registry key?
Maybe. Just try. Nope.
Is it delete item? That's not it.
Doesn't like it.
Doesn't right. So remove item is correct. That's name. So I wonder, since it's already there, if we don't need to do the tag name, if we can just put the actual path to it. Oh, look at that.
You think they remove it?
I think so. Cause see, I
Let's
gotta
try.
undo the stuff I did in the meeting today, and it's gone. So,
Damn.
So that's how you do registry keys. Remove item. See, I've been using the red flag command because I wasn't really proficient with these yet, you know?
How does it know which item to remove?
Because you put the full file path and it just removes whatever the last one is on the list.
The last one?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the path to the Internet Explorer folder. So
Okay.
so it removes whatever the final one is where you actually are targeting. So now I want to test another theory. So I want to add the Internet Explorer. Can I add Internet Explorer /main?
How you gonna? You said /name?
/main. Let's see if we can do that.
Main.
Yeah. Okay, can't do
What
that.
if you pipe it? And say name, says tag name, and then Internet Explorer name, pipe and tag name. I don't know if it would work like that. Main and
What? Pipe it into, then what do I type here?
name.
Name, just like this?
Yeah, I know. At the tag name, and then the main um, quote. I had to put a quote, double quote main. Mhm.
Okay, you ready?
Yep, I see.
All right, I'm gonna give my prediction. I think this doesn't
All
work
right.
because the syntax is not in a format that's correct.
No.
No,
Okay.
it's not. Because you're piping, like that's a parameter, and so when you pipe it, you're piping it into another command, and tag name main is not a command.
Okay.
That's a
Okay.
parameter.
So you have to add them then. You add them too, I guess, after the pipe.
Oh, I see what you're gonna do. You're gonna do that. You're gonna do another new item after that.
Yep.
Okay. All right. I like where you're going here. I'm curious to see if this will work. But you're sending the results, the output from that command into the input of this one. And then I gotta clean it up a little bit. And then this would be based on what you're doing. Since we already added Internet Explorer. Okay. And then the tag name here would be main.
Mm-hmm.
I'm curious if that'll work. I'll be on Uncle's monkey.
The what?
Wow. I said, what I'm saying? I'll be a monkey's uncle like that. Okay, so it created Internet Explorer. And there's the main folder. Yeah, dude, so it looks like you can. No. Oh, ooh. It piped it out. Know what it did? It piped the output into it made the variable, but it piped the output from the first command into the value of the registry key.
Oh,
That
no.
is interesting though. Expected though, based on how the pipe command works. Because remember, the pipe command is taking the output and putting that into the next command. So essentially, I think what you want to do is you just want to run. You don't want to pipe it into it because that's not. Even though it did create the registry key. All right, so let's clean this up. Let's do a remove item. If I remove. If I remove the Internet Explorer key. All right, so it said it has children, and the recursive parameter has not been set. If you want, okay. So let's.
So yeah.
No. Actually, let's say no.
No. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I want to use the recurse key. Like this. Boom. That works. So it deleted all the subfolders. Now when I do the GCI, that don't exist. There it is. So it's gone. We back to it. So that just shows you something else. So you can do the remove item with the recurse, and you can delete multiple registry keys deep. All right. Any questions up here? So Pierre, I can tell you what's happening. You got your cell phone too close to your microphone. I know that sounds very well.
What?
I'm getting feedback in your microphone because I'm hearing your cell phone transmitting. It's too close to your microphone.
Really?
Yep.
The microphone is like way far. Maybe from my speaker, you mean?
It's coming through your microphone, so your cell phone is close to something that's been picked up.
No, because if we look in Discord, if I stay quiet, my microphone doesn't move.
It's not. No. When I hear the glitching, I did look in Discord
Oh.
and I saw your mic moving. Yeah, I gotta pull it up so I can see if it does again. But I know that sound because I had AT&T cell phone too, and I would hear it. If I put it too close to my microphone, you hear it. Don't do that with
So,
Samsung.
never mind.
This new phone for some reason.
I don't think so. Let me see. Let me move my cell phone somewhere else. Let me see.
Okay. All right, Pierre. So here's
Yep.
the deal. Let's see how do we add? Let's see. Multiple sub registry keys in PowerShell. Why does everything go to Stack Overflow? So here we go. So new item. So we're assigning this to path. Is using attack force command. Oh, PR, I know how to do it. Oh, I think I know how to do it with one time.
One command.
Yeah, /force. So let's do this. So new item. So Internet Explorer, main, and then
Notify.
what is it? Notify. Where's Tenable, bro? Tenable sucks, man. Don't why to log out so fast, man? Come on, Tenable. Come on, you can't log out. I mean, bro, it's killing us. I mean, I know that's probably what, a 30-minute log out, Tenable. Come on, yo.
Yeah.
Can't even make it through a whole stream without getting logged out, man. That's not acceptable. Like, and is it a configurable thing? Let me look in the settings before I give Tenable a bad rap here. But they need to fix this crap. And just about every security tool is guilty of logging people out way too much. MSSPs, we can't afford to have that logging in all day long. Every 30 minutes we logging into our tool. Okay, all right, I'm back in now. I had it all the way back to my space. Okay. All right, so we get a chance to see all the vulnerabilities on this machine. We got so much good content to do here, boy. I tell you, I'm so excited about having this machine in the list. So that's a lot of good old vulnerabilities. So there it is. Notify disable IE options. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna do attack force. And there it is, Pierre. That's all we had to do is add attack force to it.
I know. Let me write that down.
Yeah. That's the command right there, folks. Now, let's see if we can delete it again. And what if we do attack value with it? Maybe we can add the actual value on top of that. Cause see right now, if we try to get this registry key, and by the way, you can tab it out. If it exists, you can just hit the tab key. So see right now, it doesn't have any value associated with it. So if we go back and we do a remove item, we're gonna remove the Internet Explorer, and we're gonna do attack recurse to get this and everything below it. Okay, so now when I do a get item, it's all gone. But if I want to do the latest command, which is to do the new item command, I want to do tag name, which is his tag value, and I'll say 0, and do tag force, and look at there. So I created the entire registry key and added a value to it now.
So you added the tag value and force value 0.
Yeah, so you can add, as long as you do tag force allows you to add multiple registry keys at one time. I'll put this in Discord in the Menti chat. Okay, and so essentially what we do is get another scan, see if the vulnerability is remediated. But I'm going to delete the registry key and reset everything back to get ready for this video. And just like that, it's all gone again. Boom. So actually, this was helpful to me because I've been not very effective at, like, I always use a reg add, and I think we talked about this on my last stream, or last time we met. I used the reg add command and the reg query command and stuff like that because I didn't feel comfortable using all these commands. But now I know it's the get item, it's the new item, and it's the remove item commands to work with registry keys. So now this gives me the ability to go back and I can change my scripts up at work now. Instead of using the reg add command, I can use these and I can write some really nice, beautiful, clean PowerShell scripts to manipulate registry keys. All right, any questions, Pierre?
No, that was pretty good.
It's really good.
Learned something.
Yeah, man, appreciate it. I'm glad I learned something too.
Yeah.
I learned it on the spot today too, so that's why I love doing these streams and hanging out. Whoa.
And I'm not trying to use that on, using on my machines, using PowerShell, easier than going to the registry.
Well, dude, go ahead and get your power settings changed so we can actually, because I mean, my goal is not for me to always be, you need to be hands on keyboard. I'm on hands on keyboard all day, every day doing that stuff, just about, you know what I'm saying, or when I'm doing a video. But I need you to be hands on keyboard next stream, you know what I'm saying? So, and you walk through, basically get your machines up, get a scan, let's get identify the vulnerabilities. I really want to just kind of be there to assist you to remediate your own vulnerabilities, okay, on some of your machines.
Because they have a vulnerability in VirtualBox, and I was trying to remediate it, and I went to VirtualBox website, and it said don't download the latest version because they have some issues. So I have to wait until it's the issue.
Well, I can tell you that VirtualBox vulnerability I'm familiar with. They're trying to get you to go to .14, .16, but you go to the website and it's like only up to .14. Because I was trying to remediate on my machine, I just ended up uninstalling it. Let's see, do we have any machines that have the VirtualBox vulnerability?
My machine has it.
Yeah,
Oracle VM VirtualBox.
Let's confirm if my memory is serving me correctly. Okay, so 706, they want you to go to 712. I'm pretty sure there's a newer version. I found a new version on Oracle's website. So if you go to virtualbox.org, you got 7018 available now.
So they already fixed it.
Yeah, if you go to Oracle VirtualBox here, like the Oracle site, there's 7014. That's what I remember that they were trying to go to, tell you to go to. But I remember when I went to virtualbox.org, they only had 716. It looks like they've skipped 716 already, and they're going all the way to 718. Probably because of, I guess you say there was a bug in it.
Yeah.
So that's probably why Tenable said 716, and I went here. 716 wasn't available. It was only 714. Something like that. I know there was an issue with it, but so that kind of confirms why I might have seen it, because I actually just uninstalled VirtualBox. And by the way, I got a script that I wrote too. Real simple script, super simple. That dude, it uninstalls all bloatware, all apps off your machine. Like, it even uninstalls the Windows Store on your machine. Like, literally, I ran this thing, and dude, it will clean up so many things, and it's just like one line of code. So
Really?
it's really easy. Yeah, basically, you're just using a pipe command. You do a command to list all the installed programs, and you pipe it into an uninstall, and just let it go, dude. It will clean up so many things on your machine. Bloatware, goodbye. So anyway,
You know, posting a minty chat.
yo, I want to do videos on this stuff, so that's why I'm sitting on a lot of these till I get a video out. And then let's see, do I have my GitHub up? Show you my GitHub. If y'all want to follow my GitHub repository, feel free to do so, provided I can find it myself. Let's see, do I have it open anywhere? Hold on a second. Let me get it open. Okay, yep. Here is my GitHub repository here, and I've already started putting some scripts out there. And like I say, like if you go to my repository /PowerShell, you'll have access to where I put these scripts under here. So here's the link for everybody. So, but you can see .NET Core remediation, and I've got a lot to learn about GitHub. But this is one that gets Microsoft.NET off of machines. But this is where I'm gonna be moving it all out of Discord before I float around and lose it all and try to get this all in this. And I need to get better at GitHub, because I have no idea all the details of how to use this stuff. So I've got a lot of education to learn, or I got to educate myself on GitHub quite a bit. So with that being the case, all right, anything else, Pierre? Because I think I'm gonna call it, man. I'm getting tired.
No, that should be it.
Okay, cool. All right, well, I just want to thank everybody in the stream. If you haven't liked, subscribed, or followed, please do so. And look forward to talking to y'all in the future. So on the next stream. So good night, everybody.